where peace lives. Ever wonder what it felt like when peace lived in the streets? Let's step back and feel that calm today. Imagine a world where calm was the norm, where every step you take feels gentle and safe around you. Picture children walking gently, Qur'ans in hand, their steps soft but filled with purpose and light. They're carrying more than books. Hope and faith walk right alongside them, lighting up their paths. In a humble village near the holy Kaaba, a little boy slowly opens a wooden door to a world of light. He carries a wooden slate and the Quran, simple tools that shine with light and wisdom beyond years. Beneath a tall palm tree, 5 children sit quietly, their little world filled with stillness and learning. Their Qurans lay open, eyes steady and hearts still. Here connection grows quietly, deeply. The only sound? The quiet bond between young hearts and Allah, pure, powerful and still. One boy gently washes his face from a clay pot, a simple act full of sacred refreshment. That cool water touches more than skin. It cleanses the soul, lifting peace higher inside. His eyes close peacefully, as if peace itself is wrapping him in a warm, gentle hug. Nearby, a child looks up at the sky, dreaming quietly with eyes full of wonder. He sees a soft image of the Kaaba swirled gently in the clouds, a sacred promise in the sky. He smiles softly and whispers, "One day I'll go there too," holding on to hope like a treasure. Children kiss the Quran gently. It's more than just a book. It's pure love and sacred connection. They hold it close and raise hands in silent prayer, words that breathe life and peace into their souls. Time moves fast, but some things don't change. The peace and light the Quran brings remain forever. The Quran still waits quietly, nestled in our homes and hearts, a timeless beacon of peace, waiting for us to open its pages again, to remember the light, peace and prayers it holds close. This story is brought to you by Meet Hey Bowl Official, where every word is a prayer, and every prayer is light.